Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago, and this is my subject today, and I'm ready for this different image. This one by Adobe Photoshop used filter called Find Edges, as always. Well, I want to create something different, interesting image from these two pencil drawing and this base image, which is black and white this time. Well, since this spoon, fork, knife, and also this picture is black and white, no color, so I want to play around with this black and white. Today's subject is shape and color. I'm gonna paint it on something interesting or something I like color on this shape of the nice design, this spoon, knife, and fork. Well, let's get started. I'm gonna turn this on and change the blend mode to darken so we can see through underneath. And also I'm going to turn this base image tone down, and I'm going to move this empty layer in between these two. Now I'm going to paint on this. Well, what color shall I paint it on first? Okay, choose the watercolor brush first, and watercolor around detail, maybe about, this is size 14, 15, yeah. Then pick some nice color, which is, well, let's see, bluer color. Okay, let's go from this knife. Then I'm going to use the darker blue, which is on shadow side. Okay, now same thing on fork and spoons. Kind of interesting. This is my first time doing like this. Okay, now I'm gonna choose no color, change brush to wash, a watercolor wash flat, nice gradation from where. Yeah, I'm put on just water. I don't know why it's turning this way. I'm just getting water, but that's interesting. This reddish color is probably that's over limit of something, because I'm just adding water, right? But that's interesting. And just let it go. And I'm gonna add another color to blend. Maybe that's really fun. Let's see about this color. Well, kind of messy, huh? Let's go back on this spoon. Yeah, I want something really nice gradation here. Let me see. I don't know. Well, this is spoon and knife forks. Okay, I'm gonna add another layer for background. What color is gonna be nice for background? I'll just try. Okay, now let me see what's gonna happen on this pencil drawing type image. I'm gonna change blend mode. It's now darkened. Now this is normal, right? Opacity down to 50%. Then change. Oh well, this base image goes to a little bit up, 7%. Now go back to this color burn now, 50%, linear burn, darker color, lighten. Well, it's not interesting, huh? About 80% luminosity. Overlay. Okay, how about if I move this one, go up to top, then wow, this is kind of interesting, huh? Just color cast, luminosity. Well, about this overlay, 50. That's kind of cool, nice clean image. Well, go back to this, change, hey, let me see, 100, let me see now, opacity 100, luminosity. Now I'm gonna, Well, just let me see. Just check duplicate layer. Then I'm going to turn this one off. Just want to keep it. Then I'm going to work on this. Now, I just kind of interesting of this image, so let's get 100%. This is luminosity 100%. Now create empty mask, then hide around here. Let's see. Basic soft round size flow black 100%. Just reveal, hide. This one is base image. This is pencil drawing type image, right? It's darkened. So I'm gonna multiply, change to multiply, or let's see, color burn, linear burn, vivid difference, exclusion, normal. Turn this one off. It's not interesting, huh? Not interesting. No mask. This is so cool. Clean. I shot. Well, let's just draw, that's all, right? Yeah, it is, that's all. Hey, gotta do something. Turn this one off. Just wanna see this. Turn this one on. Then let's see on this one, pencil drawing type. Just paint it on. Nothing much interesting though. See, this is nice clean pencil drawing type image. Now I just paint on. What if convert to pixel layer? Now I can add water, no color, just water. Just breaking, spoon, fork, and knife, as if this spoon, knife, fork is painted by watercolor image. Now just add water to break these shapes, everything like that. Then with wash flat, let's see if I break all the images. No sharp image. Now it's something as if drop the water over the watercolor image. Break these, just flow the water. What it looks like now. I want to see this. Just try. Break all the image. Water flow 100. Well, I don't know if it's going. Yeah, I think. Such a great, just add water, breaking all the images. Look at this. Base image is black and white, so no colors anyways. So it doesn't change any colors or anything like that. Just breaking the density of the image, huh? Okay. Now it's, if you turn off these images, we only see base image with water. Water image. Man, there's no knife, no fork, no spoon. You don't see nothing. Now let's see. Just try out. Let's see, turn on this pencil drawing type image. Now I'm going to change, overlay 80% now. If I change to multiply, color burn, linear burn, lighten screen, it's all 80% opacity. Then there was overlay 80%, 100. I'll keep it 80% now. Now color, spoon, knife, fork, color on. It's overlay same 100%. Just get these colors, and also the background color, the same overlay 100%. Well, it's not beautiful. Just, what can I say? Just try out. Well, sometimes you gotta do it once. Okay, we have base image here. Since we have this base image, turn on beautiful photograph. Well, create empty mask, then invert mask. You don't want to see ugly photo. Now, we may try soft round size flow. Then let's see. Reveal. Shape of the spoon. Now shape of the fork. Well, we want to see the color, so I'm gonna move this layer, move down to these colors layer. So we're gonna get this color, watercolor image. Now a little bit of knife. It's not that interesting, but well, guys, this is one of the try out. Don't think this is waste time. This is one of the try out. Once you know, maybe this movie is gonna help you something, creative work on your future work or whatever, I don't know. Well, to me, that's one of the experience to have to create something in the future, I hope. And thank you for watching movie, and I try to make it short movie, so I don't want to waste you guys time much. Well, thank you for watching again, and you guys have a nice day. I really appreciate for you guys' support, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.